In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Ionos to Godaddy. This process might seem complex at first, but I'll guide you through every step to ensure a smooth transition. Whether you're looking to consolidate your domains under one registrar or you prefer Godaddy's features over Ionos, this tutorial will help you accomplish that. Let's start with logging into Ionos. Once logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Look for the Domains SSL section. This is where you manage your domain settings. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the domains you currently own. Select the domain you want to transfer. This will bring you to a page with details about your domain. One of the essential things here is to make sure your domain is unlocked. You'll find a specific option labeled Domain Lock, which prevents unauthorized transfers. Go ahead and disable this by toggling the switch next to it. A quick note: unlocking the domain is key, so double-check to ensure it's unlocked before proceeding. The next step requires you to get the authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This code allows Godaddy to take over the management of your domain from Ionos. Still, on the same domain details page, look for either auth code or authorization code. Click on this link to request your code, which will be sent to your registered email address. Take a minute to check your inbox for this email. It might land in your spam folder, so don't forget to check there as well. Once you have your authorization code, it's time to head over to Godaddy. Make sure to log into your Godaddy account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, locate the Domain Transfer feature, typically found in the main menu or the Domains section. Here, you'll enter the domain name you're transferring into the appropriate field and proceed through the steps on screen. As part of the transfer process on Godaddy, you'll need to provide the authorization code you received earlier. Keep it handy for when prompted. Upon entering the code, Godaddy will verify it to confirm your request to transfer. If everything checks out, you'll proceed to the checkout page. While this part involves a fee, it's generally small and often includes a 1-year extension of your domain registration. After payment, Godaddy will take it from here, but the transfer doesn't complete instantly. Typically, it can take anywhere from 5 to 7 days. During this time, you shouldn't make any additional changes to your domain settings. Just sit back and keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status. Once the domain is successfully transferred, you'll receive a confirmation email from Godaddy, and you're all set. And there you have it, your domain has now been transferred from Ionos to Godaddy. With patience and these steps, you've successfully made the switch. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!